Hi friends, welcome to T Academy. In this video I am going to discuss a question which is asked in your TS Genco 2024 EAEE electrical engineering paper here. The question is from the networks and the topic here it is H parameters. The question here it is the H parameters of the following circuit in the shown figure is like this. They asked a question here, and it's a simple T network which is having a resistance of 1 ohm, and V1 and I1 are the input parameters, and similarly I2 and V2 are the output parameters here like this. So for this network we need to calculate what is the H11, H12, H21, H22. So there is a question here. So to find the H parameters, so first of all, what are the H parameter equations here? I'll write down this H parameters equations here. The equations start with the V1 which is equal to H11 into I1 plus H12 into it is V2. Similarly, I2 is equal to H21 into I1 plus H22 into V2. These are the two equations. So here these two are the equations of the H parameters. We need to write this entire network into this form of equations here. So how I am going to write this? I will apply equation here. So let's me assume this I1 and this will be equal to, sorry, the current direction is reverse here, so I2 here. Okay, so see here, what is the V1? So V1 is nothing but the current flowing here. In these parameters, these two currents are entering here. So this current is entering, this current is entering here. Okay, so let me erase this part here. Okay, so current will be flowing in the opposite direction like this. So entire current will flow here. So V1 is nothing but the total sum of currents I1 plus I2 into 1 ohm resistance, which is nothing but I1 plus I2. So by looking the equation, this equation and above this equation, don't compare H1 is equal to 1. Okay, why? Because you have to write in the standard form of equation like this. So remember this point, we have to write in the standard form, so as above here. Okay, similarly you can write the V2. So V2 is also same thing. So V2 is nothing but the current of I1 plus I2, both are flowing in the 1 ohm resistor, which is equal to I1 plus I2 only. So we have two equations. So first of all, instead of writing I2, what I can write is, from this equation, I2 is nothing but, so V2 minus I1 I can write, or simply I can write it as minus I1 plus V2. Okay, so this equation is a matches with this equation here. Why? Because I1 is there, V2 is there, so this satisfies. So this will be the standard form. Similarly, I want to get this equation here. So by substituting this I2 into this equation, what will you get? V1 is equal to, so I1, instead of writing I2, what I can write? So plus of V2 minus I1 I can write. So this implies, so V1 will be equal to V2. If you write in this form here, what I can write here, it is V1 is equal to, so 0 into I1 plus, okay, so 1 into V2. So this is the equation here. So let me give a number here for these equations here. So equation number 3 and equation number 4. Let me assume this equation number 1 and equation number 2 here. So by comparing the equations here, what we can write? So H11 is equal to, so 0, and what about H12? So H12 is nothing but 1, and similarly H21. So V2 writing na, so V2. So V2 I am writing here. Where is the V2 here? Sorry, I2. Okay, so I2. So I2 is equal to H21 into I1. H21 into I1 means this one will be minus 1. And similarly, H22 is equal to what? So H22 is equal to 1 here. So finally, the H parameters of the circuit is, so we have 0, 1 and minus 1 1. So this will be the answer for this question. Thank you friends, have a nice day.